Hey guys, what's going on? Dan here from danbradleyofficial.com and welcome inside my Agency Blitz review. Now throughout this review, we're going to be sharing with you guys exactly what Agency Blitz is all about. We're going to be talking about the features and the functions of this particular product and showing you guys exactly why this is a really awesome agency pack. Now we're also going to be taking a look at the sales page. We're going to be taking a look at the claims they're making, and we're going to be talking about the funnel, what's coming through there, what the upsells are going to be, and of course the custom bonuses that I've put together when you decide to pick up Agency Blitz through the link down below this YouTube video. Now if this is your first time on the channel, welcome in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified about up and coming product launches. Finally, it does give me a massive help if you quickly smash that thumbs up button, give this video a really quick like so I can continue to create content for you. Now let's dive straight into Agency Blitz review and take a look at exactly what this system is all about. Now what you'll see here is a specific web page. This is one of the pages that you're going to get, and in fact if we just go over and talk about exactly the product, you're going to get Kit 1, which is the done for you video marketing agency. You have Kit 2, which is the done for you mobile app agency. Kit number 3, which is the done for you messenger bot agency. And finally, kit number 4 is the social media marketing agency. Now you get all 4 of those packs included, and you're going to get a professional website like the one that you've seen here. Okay, so that's the first thing you get included here is this website. Now you get a lot of other stuff as well. You get a proposal, email sequences, telemarketing scripts, so what people are to say on the phone to close those deals, commercial graphics, web banners, Facebook ad creatives for running your own Facebook ads, and legal contracts to make sure that everything you do is above the law. Now, if we go back to this web page here, you will see this is a professionally designed web page, and they've used top designers. And in addition to having great designers, you've also got great copywriters working on this particular product. Now this is really important because it's going to help give you a lot of credibility and encourage people basically to go through the page, absorb your content, and ultimately to actually take a specific action. Now in terms of the action you want people to take here, it's to sign up, it's to give you their information to become a lead. Once they become a lead, of course, you're going to be able to monetize them, you're going to be able to sell them services and to make money from that. Now, this is, of course, a really nicely set up page. You've got everything in here that we'd expect to see, that your clients are going to expect to see, to build authority and to get them down to this button here, this request a quote now. When they click on it, it's going to come up and they can basically fill in the information. You can put your business name down there at the bottom, and of course at the top here you also have other request quote now buttons. You've got one just here, same thing, and one again just underneath that the start button here, this information here. Click on that again, and that's going to bring them to the request a quote now. And that's ultimately what you're trying to do here. And you get these pages, guys, and everything else that you've seen for all 4 of the packages. Now you can't buy them individually. They do come for all 4 systems. All right. So you get them all together at one time. Now you can use this, of course, to make great profits. This is the sort of professional stuff, and this is the business that kind of stays, all right? This is the business that lasts for a long time, and you're getting all of the done-for-you templates that you're going to need. So done-for-you websites for all 4 of the packs. You've got full Facebook ad creatives to run ads across Facebook, Instagram, to, of course, drive traffic back into your pages. You've got web banners and Google Ads. Now, I would personally use these for retargeting campaigns. When someone hits through to your site, all right, you're going to be able to cookie them. It's called cookieing them, and basically you can then follow them and you can display ads to them across the Google platform, which also includes places like YouTube. You also have full telemarketing scripts, so exactly what your guys need to say on the phone, what you should be saying to these people to close the sales. Now you also get a lot more than that as well. You get things like emails and all that good stuff as well that we looked at over here. So the email sequences, the legal contracts, the web banners, the commercial graphics, everything that you need to set up a effective agency business. Okay, and remember, you've got this for 4 particular niches on the front end package. So this is the front end package: the video marketing agency, social media marketing agency, mobile app agency, and the messenger bot agency. All come with the ready-made agency websites, the print-ready commercial graphic templates, customizable legal contracts, Facebook ad creatives, the telemarketing scripts, your cold call email sequences, professionally developed proposals. They're available in both Word and in PowerPoint formats as well. Okay, so very, very simple, easy system to use. You're simply going to go over to the dashboard after payment, log in, and you will see all 4 packs there with everything that you need. You can download all the custom creatives, and of course you can get those websites live. Now, when you click the button down below this YouTube video, you're going to come through to this page here. This is my bonus page for Agency Blitz. It's going to give you a little bit more information about the product, about what it's going to be doing, and there's also going to be a demo video here as well, so you can get a little bit more information and actually watch this system in action, see what the dashboard looks like. It's very simple, very user-friendly, guys, but we've got that quick demo video in there. It runs for about 2 minutes, and it's going to show you everything that you need to know about getting started really with the Agency Blitz system. Now, any of these green buttons on the page here will take you through to the sales page where you can grab your copy of Agency Blitz and secure all of my custom bonuses there. They'll all be waiting for you in the checkout area through Warrior Plus and JVZoo. You don't have to message me or wait around or anything like that. Bonuses will be there instantly available for you when you decide to jump in. Now, obviously, within this particular agency package here, this Agency Blitz bundle, you're going to have everything that you need to get started. And this is a business, guys, that's not fly by the night. This isn't some product that's here today, gone tomorrow. This is one of the most professional businesses that you could run, that you could get set up in, and that's going to give you long-term good profits. Okay, you can go to businesses and they're going to pay you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to do particular types of work for them, and you don't even have to do the work yourself. And in fact, in the bonuses that I'm going to be showing you in just a moment, you're going to see you're able to outsource all of the work, so you can have somebody else do all of the work for you while you make the big chunk of the money. So it's really quite an amazing opportunity, and if you've ever tried it before in starting an agency, I've seen a few different products launched that kind of skate around the subject and give you some information, but nothing as complete and as full as what you're going to be getting inside of the Agency Blitz system. This is going to be a business that you're going to be able to scale. This is going to be a business that's going to work for the long haul, and that's what I really believe that you should be doing in business. Now, of course, let's talk about the funnel and about exactly what you're going to be getting included. Now, everything you've seen, guys, is $37 one time. This is for the video, Facebook Messenger, social media, mobile apps, all of these pages that you've seen here, all of these professionally designed web pages, all of the proposals, email sequences, the scripts, the graphics, the banners, Facebook ads, legal contracts, for all 4 of the niches. Okay, so all 4 of these niches that you're going to get, video, FB Messenger, social media, mobile apps, all of that is included, $37 one time on the front end. Upgrade number 1 is the professional upgrade. This is $47. This gives you 4 more agency packs, again with all of the resources that you would need. This gives you Facebook ads, web design, graphic design, and SEO. Now, I would 100% recommend you do think about picking up this pack here. First of all, it's going to give you more opportunities, it's going to give you more things you can do. It gives you things like graphic design and SEO, which are much easier to sell to businesses, and the profit margins on them are pretty fantastic. And in fact, in the bonus, I'm going to show you a way we do this, where we actually can run free reports for clients and then sell services to them, where somebody else does all the work. Upgrade number 2 then is the video agency upgrade. This is a local agency video package for all 8 of the above Blitz niches. Now, there's no point picking up upgrade number 2 if you don't pick up upgrade number 1, because of course this upgrade is covering all 8 packs, and that's $47 one time. And again, this is going to give you some local videos you're going to be able to use to get those clients, secure the clients. Upgrade number 3 is the Sushi Cake upgrade. This is $67. This is a software and an agency license 10 Facebook marketing tools that you're going to be able to use within your own business, obviously to get clients and to work with clients to really help with Facebook Messenger. And let's be honest here, Facebook is the social media network to be on. This is where most of your prospects are going to be hanging out, and your clients' prospects are also going to be hanging out. And the final upgrade then is the Mobimatic agency software and agency license. This is a mobile app builder, $67 one time. Now, we did do a video review for SocialCake, and I'll throw that up on the cards there for you so you can take a look at that if you want to. The Mobimatic agency software we weren't blown away with, to be honest with you, but have a look at it. It might suit your needs, and you can check that out on the sales page there that you're going to see on the upgrade page for that. Okay. Now, as I said, SocialCake is up there on the cards. I've just thrown that up there for you as well, so you can watch that review and take a look at the Mobimatic on their sales page if that is something that you are interested in. Now, in terms of my personal recommendations, I would grab the front end product upgrades 1 and 2. That's what I would do. I already have upgrade 3, I already have the SocialCake system, but take a look at that one, and upgrade number 4 I don't actually recommend. So that's what I would personally recommend with this system. Alright, so that's kind of the full Agency Blitz funnel there. That's what you're going to expect once you go past the sales page, and that's what you have to look forward to in this system. Now, of course, at any point during the video, you can drop down and take a look at this page here, click any of those green buttons, and it will take you over to the sales page where you can grab your copy of Agency Blitz. You can watch the testimonials, you can see all of the information there, and take a look at the bonuses that the vendor is offering. Now, this is what every affiliate's going to be offering you guys. These are just standard bonuses here, nothing too special, what every affiliate's going to be able to offer you. But when you do decide to pick Agency Blitz up through the link below this YouTube video, you are also going to get my custom bonuses as well. Now, bonus number 1 is a top-selling agency WordPress theme for 2019. Now, the reason we're giving you this is first and foremost the web pages that you're going to get are WordPress based, so you're going to be able to import them into your theme. And second of all, you're going to become a time where you're going to want you have your own actual home page, right? You're going to have a time where you're going to want your own about pages. You're going to want to display previous clients' work to really help get yourself more, to get more clients and to help that out. So that's bonus number 1. We're selling it for $59. It's a top seller. It's going to be yours absolutely free when you grab Agency Blitz through my link. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to an SEO reseller platform. When you sign up through the link I'm going to give you, you're going to get unlimited client reports. It's free to sign up, by the way. Unlimited client reports that you can run, and you're actually even able to outsource the work to other people. You're able to outsource it to professionals and profit on it. It's what we do in our business, a lot of the stuff that we do, and I thoroughly recommend that to you guys as well. Bonus number 3 is the Campaign Ads Spy software. Now, this is WordPress based. You can install it and you can basically spy on all of your competitors. You can see what they're doing, you can see what ads they're running, what ads are performing well for them, and actually you can model your own ads based on what they have there, which is really awesome. It means that they've wasted stacks and stacks of Benjamins, right, getting these ads perfect, getting these ads set up, and you're going to come in and basically extract their top performing ads, extract that core data, the really good stuff, and create your own ads which are going to work really, really well for you and enable you to actually cash in with this system. So you can use this for yourself, you can run this for clients. Okay, you could use this as part of your agency business, as part of your agency offering, and run this for clients as well. And you could charge them for that service, right? Because who wants to waste money on ads when you can basically see what your competitors have already done, what their top performing ads are, what results they're getting, and then model your own campaigns based upon that. Okay, so that's what I would recommend you do. Add this as a service as well for them there as well. Now, the final bonus that you're going to get is the complete guide of Google ranking factors for 2019. Now, this is an awesome bonus for you, and this is an awesome bonus for your clients. This is going to first of all give you the theory, give you some of the information that you're going to need to sell these services, and it's also going to help build your credibility with other businesses as well. So this is the complete guide of Google ranking factors. This is how Google is ranking websites, fully updated for, actually we updated it this month, this is April 2019, which this is a kind of a bonus that everyone online should have. So if you don't have access to this guide to complete the Google ranking factors yet, if you're not on my email list, you haven't picked it up through another method, then I definitely recommend that you do pick this up ASAP. So you know exactly what Google is focusing on right now in 2019, and there is lots of different points. Okay, you've got some on-page things, off-page things, lots of different stuff. Now, of course, all of these bonuses are going to be instantly available through JVZoo Warrior Plus. You don't have to email me or wait around like other affiliates are going to make you wait. Those bonuses will be instantly available. So go ahead, click the link down below this YouTube video, go through to this page here, click the green button, and grab your copy of Agency Blitz. Now, if you've got any questions about this system, go ahead, drop them down in the comments below. I always be down there as often as I can, help you guys out the best we can, or you can come through to our webpage and live chat with us. That's pretty much everything I want to talk to you guys about. Have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. This has been my Agency Blitz review. Speak to you guys soon. All the best. Bradley out.